Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A10 and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So you've got two methods. Let's start with the first one. At the very beginning you have to open your phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see now, you can come along with both IMEI numbers and also serial number assigned to your Samsung Galaxy A10. And that's it. Click on OK to go back. And now you can open both IMEIs and also serial number through the settings. So at first let's open list of all applications, find and pick the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone. And here you've got both IMEI numbers and over here you've got serial number assigned to your Galaxy A10. And that would be all. This is how you can locate IMEI and serial number for your Galaxy A10. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.